Hello students, in this video today we are going to learn altitudes and medians of a triangle, some points to remember. So have watch on this board. See, points to remember. We know that the bisectors of the angles of a triangle as well as the perpendicular bisectors of its sides are concurrent. Bisector of angles of a triangle and perpendicular bisectors of sides are concurrent, means meeting in the one point. These points of concurrence, that point is called the point of concurrence, are respectively called incenters and circumcenters of a triangle. That points are called incenters and circumcenters of the triangle. Now next point, altitude. What is altitude? The perpendicular segment. The perpendicular segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle. If we draw any triangle and we take any vertex and we draw perpendicular on opposite side, that side of a triangle on the side of opposite to it is called an altitude. That side is called as, this segment is called as altitude of the triangle. So we shall see what is altitude. The perpendicular segment. The perpendicular segment drawn from any vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. See, in this triangle we can see what is the altitude. Segment drawn from A, this vertex, to opposite side BC, means this segment AP. AP is the altitude of the triangle. Now in triangle ABC, segment BQ, this BQ segment is the altitude of the side AC. It is the altitude drawn from the vertex B on side AC. That altitude can be drawn from the vertex to the opposite side of a triangle with the help of a set square also. From that, now here the vertex A, from vertex A, segment AP, from vertex A on opposite side BC, this segment AP is the altitude. From vertex B on opposite side AC, this BQ is the altitude, and from vertex C on opposite side AB, this RC is the altitude, and all these altitudes are meeting in a common point O. This is the point of concurrence. This is the point of concurrence. These are the points to remember. Note it down, all the points from the board. Again I repeat, we know that the bisector of angles of a triangle. We know that the bisectors of angles of a triangle as well as the perpendicular bisector of its sides as well as the perpendicular bisector of its sides are concurrent. They meet in the same point, like this point O, like this point O here. They meet at a same point. These are called as incenters and circumcenters of a triangle. These are called incenters and circumcenters of the triangle. Then second point, altitude. The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called as the altitude of the triangle. See, in this triangle, this is triangle ABC. Here ABC, from the vertex B on the opposite side AC, this BQ segment is drawn. This BQ segment is the altitude of the triangle. Such that by the same case, altitude can be drawn from the vertex to opposite the side of a triangle with the help of set square. See the next figure. This figure is triangle ABC. Here from vertex A On the opposite side BC, this AP segment is drawn as a altitude from point B to opposite side AC. This BQ is the altitude drawn with the help of set square, and from vertex C on this opposite side AC, this CR segment is drawn. This is the altitude. These three are the altitude drawn from the vertex to the opposite sides, and these three altitudes are meeting in the same point, that is the point of concurrence, that is O. This is called the incenter of a triangle. Draw this figure, note all the points, take down all these points, important points, and keep it in your mind while solving the problems from altitudes and medians of a triangle. Thank you.